SCARF is a single combined assessment of risk form. It's a new process that we brought into Surrey Police, and there's quite a few aspects to it. But the one specific to hate crime is the HARA risk assessment process. Now, what that's about is about identifying the risk, the actual risk at that time to that individual. So there's quite a lengthy questionnaire that goes behind it. And what it is specifically for hate crime and antisocial behaviour. And what it looks at is the impact of that particular incident or a series of incidents on that individual, joins them all together. It's about the impact that incident has had on that victim, so it helps us understand that. It also goes beyond that, but it's about, do they feel that incident was targeted to them because of who they are, whereas before we never had anything like that. That was quite specific. And also it's about, are there any other individuals, whether contained within the family or the wider community, that are going to be impacted from that type of activity? So the SCARF system is a really important mechanism for us to be able to categorise and to provide the highest risk factors to allow us to focus our efforts more appropriately. And also it's about signposting support services, so it allows us to refer to health, housing associations, the different partners that we work with to ensure that those victims that require that support get it. But it's about also, for us, it's about being legitimacy, it's about improving our legitimacy across, in the communities, so that we can improve our service that we provide. And actually, if we don't identify it properly, we can't do it. So therefore, SCARF's a really important process that we have to allow us to do that. It's about raising that awareness, it's about working together. And all I would say is that, we want to reach out to communities, and particularly those suffering from disability hate crime. It's not something that we will tolerate in Surrey, and we want to work with whoever we can to work with to support those victims and to eradicate it from the county.